Hi, my name is Josie and I'm the Manager of Customer Success here at Edcite. Oftentimes when I'm teaching in the classroom, there is a standard that I need to cover with my students. I'm going to show you how to search our assignment library for assignments that are tagged to specific standards. I'm going to start off in the assignment library. I know that I'm in the assignment library because both assignments and library are written in green font and underlined in green. Next, I'm going to make sure that Browse Standards is selected, which it is. And then my first step in my standards tree is to choose my state. I live in Florida, so I'm going to click on Florida. Next, I'm going to select my subject. I'm teaching math today, so I'm going to select math. Then, since I'm a first grade teacher, I'm going to click on grade 1. I'm going to choose G for geometry. And since I'm teaching reasons with shapes and their attributes, that's what I'm going to click on. You'll notice that my results populated over here. So all of these assignments are tagged to standards within this section of my standards tree. I can narrow my results even further by clicking on the specific standard. And you will see that up here I'm getting the code for my standards so I can follow along with my choice in the standards tree. You'll also see that my results were narrowed even further. If I wanted to preview one of these assignments, I would click on the preview button. If I wanted to assign one of these assignments to my students, I would click on the assign button. If you have any more questions about Edcite or searching our assignment library, please feel free to click on the help or feedback buttons located at the bottom of your screen.